Good day, welcome to Sunflower Essay. Hope you guys are fine. I'm also fine. You can look around the back and all. I'm in a farm now. Just to see a few animals and to have a nice farm breakfast, spend a time just to have a break from my hectic schedule. So I came to the farm. I'll show you how it looks after my breakfast. We have ordered now for the breakfast. When the breakfast comes, I will tell you. And those who are watching the first time and those who are watching regularly but not subscribing, please do subscribe the channel if you like the video. Let's get into the video. So these are all the farm area. Oh, this is for the braai flowers. They even maintain nice garden. You can see the garden. There's a way to the dining area. They have indoor, like you can see. That's an indoor. Outdoor means outside. You can dine for breakfast. We are now in this indoor one. This is how we go into the outdoor dining area. This is another side of the dining area. It's beautiful. This is one of the traditional indoor. I'm showing the back side of the indoor dining area. But when I start to take my breakfast, I'll show you. And this is the outside. And they are maintaining. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, it looks pretty. Where you see a small gazebo like that, all those are outdoor dining areas. Very rare I see. Oh, I like this outdoor dining. But there is no seaters here. I think people can sit if they arrange any table or chairs. It's really a gazebo. And then there's a small garden. This is really awesome, this side. Here is this one I was telling about, the gazebo. Da, ba, ba, ba. It's really looking beautiful. Where is side lot of Pune Avenue. This is also nice. I think here is this is the place where they cook. Looks to be kitchen area. This gazebo. Awesome. Okay, now this is the farm breakfast. What you know is here? Scrambled egg, porridge. What is in this one?
Tomatoes.
Oh, okay. Farm breakfast. I don't know what is inside sauce.
It's sauce, tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. And all bacon, sausage. That's a mushroom. This is porridge. And here if you come, nice, you make noise. This one is a normal pancake. And this is, what is this? Butter. Then this jam. Look at the size, the buckets. The presentation is good. And here also porridge, sauce, scrambled egg because I'm vegetarian. And what is that one in the basket? This is the scone. I asked for one scone. Look at the utensils box. There's salt and pepper, serviettes. So I'm going to start to eat.
3.
So this is the farm breakfast I'm going to eat. This is the tomato sauce. It's tomato, onions, and yeah, it's various style of farm sauce. And pop. It's a South African traditional one among the breakfast. That's pop. That pop I'm going to eat. Corn meat, nothing that. Not bad. And then this is the egg scramble, ne? It's nice. And let me also taste for you guys. I don't think so there's a fork. Okay. Pancake with the cinnamon powder and sugar. Awesome. And what is this one? This is the scone. The scone is very soft, eh? Super traditional farm breakfast. Awesome. I think they are going to have a party, kids party. There's a jumping castle here. We did once for our children in our yard, ne? Am I right? Beautiful. What is it? It's like a small pond, a small fish pond, ne? It's a fish pond. Let me go closer. Oh, fishes are here. Yeah. I think the fishes are inside. I saw one. You can see the bubbles here, bubble.
One big fish here. Come up.
Where? Come up.
There's one coming.
Oh, I can see from here. Yeah, it's nice, eh? And you see from here, it's also looking beautiful. But these fishes, it's just for people to watch, see, ne? I don't think so for any other purpose. You can see the bench, backrest bench. You can sit here and watch the fish, ne? There's another gazebo. This is the duck pond. It's a bit dirty, the water, ne? You can see the ducks are far. Yes. They are resting. They don't want to drink water. This is for the children play area. I think this is for the children. Yeah. Even here also the small hut, like it's a house type. It's for the kids to play. This is also kids play area. You can see here, there's a lot of things are there. See, and even this one. Oh, look at here. Oh, awesome. You all make noise first, eh? It's a lot, eh? I think this is for the domestic purposes, right? I think so. You're looking beautiful, guys. They said we'll see the animals, but we don't. Oh, here there's a donkey. Donkey? Isn't it? You. No, I don't want to go closer.
Why you can go?
I know, men. Yeah. It feels so sad. It looks so sad, eh? This way, there's a pathway here, but with the grass, must be careful. Have a look. This is the path where you will get back to your open dining area. Oh, you can see our cosmos flowers. Yeah, these are all the farm. We came for having our breakfast and for relaxation. It's their property, it's their area. They are growing some vegetables, you can see. I don't know, is it herbs or what? Looks like herbs, eh? Yeah. These are the cosmos flowers. You will see pink and white color, which grows during the autumn season and winter as well. Okay, this is the indoor plants, where you see some of the plants needs only less sunlight and doesn't require more. Maybe those type of plants that they have planted here. You can see the roof up. It's enclosed area, as you can see. ഇതിനകത്തെല്ലാം അങ്ങനത്തെ പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആണ് തോന്നണേ. It's really looking nice. Everyone knows cactus. It's growing in the look at the fat cat. Oh. So here is the cactus. You all know this one, eh? It's growing in between or in the middle of the cosmos flowers. Cosmos flowers doesn't require water, doesn't matter sun. It just grows and looks beauty, gives beauty during the winter season. This is also some vegetable. As you can see, I don't know what to say. It's look nice. Hello, my friend. Hello. Oh, maintaining well, isn't it? I can see that they are maintaining well. After a long time, I had a chance to come to a farm and then have a traditional breakfast. I think this is the traditional store. This is their main dining area. Looks nice, really. This is the till area where you pay or you get things. Awesome. So we are going back home. Hope you guys have enjoyed the visuals in the farm I have showed you in this video, and even you have a hectic schedule. Just find a place like that nearby your house, visit, have a traditional farmhouse breakfast. That's what we had. It was a wonderful time me and my husband spent over here. So thanks for watching. Before that, if you liked the video, please subscribe. If you did not like everything, you write it in the comment box. Once again, it's thanks for watching the video, and it's bye from Sunflower. Bye bye.